In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Milanote to write story 2026. Step by step. We'll start right inside Milanote, create a new board, and give it a clear name, something like Fantasy Story, Draft 1. Think of this board as the container for your entire story world. Ideas, characters, places, and scenes all in one visual space you can rearrange at any time. Keeping everything together helps you see patterns and stay organized from the very first idea. Begin by brainstorming freely. Add notes for your core story concept, a handful of what if prompts, and the genre and theme you're leaning toward. For example, what if a normal girl discovers a hidden world? Don't judge or organize yet, just dump everything onto the board so the raw material is visible. Short, scrappy notes are perfect here. The goal is volume over polish. Next, shape the big picture with structure. Create sections for beginning, middle, and ending, or if you prefer, setup, conflict, and resolution. Drag your notes into these areas to watch the flow emerge. If something doesn't fit yet, park it near the edges so it's not lost. This top-down view makes it easy to spot gaps and connect ideas before you write full scenes. Now build character profiles. Make a column for each major character and add notes for their name, personality, goals, and backstory. Be specific with traits and contradictions, brave in public, hesitant in private, because these create natural tension. If visuals help you think, attach reference images to keep their look and vibe consistent as you write. Design the world your story lives in. Add notes that capture the setting, time and place, the rules that govern this world, and the key locations where scenes will happen. Include a few sensory details and everyday norms so your scenes feel lived in. This is especially powerful for fantasy or sci-fi, where consistency matters. Outline your scenes by breaking the story into clear beats: an introduction, the first spark of conflict, and a major turning point, each as its own card. One scene per card keeps your structure modular, and labeling cards with short, active titles makes the arc easy to scan. When you're ready, start drafting. Expand each scene card into fuller writing, and keep paragraphs in separate notes to make editing painless. If a scene stalls, drop a quick bracketed note and move on. Momentum matters. Remember, Milanote excels at drafting and organizing, not final formatting. Add visual inspiration to reinforce tone and style. Upload mood boards, character looks, and location images so your creative references live beside the text. As your draft evolves, edit by dragging scenes to reorder, deleting or rewriting quickly, and adding comments if you're collaborating.